Microsoft just dropped a brand new Windows 11 version 26H1 in the Canary build 28020.1797. And this one is not a typical update. It's part of the most experimental channel, which means you're basically looking at the future of Windows before anyone else. And trust me, some of these changes are actually big. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Sudama Lab. Now, before we jump in, quick reality check. Canary Channel is where Microsoft tests earlier platform level changes, not just features. These builds can be unstable, but they also reveal where Windows is heading next. So yeah, if you're seeing something here, it might shape Windows 11 26H2 or even beyond. So now here's the interesting part. This build is a part of large merge 2026 web, where Microsoft is quietly upgrading security, AI performance tracking, accessibility, system level features, and not everything is obvious at first glance. Microsoft is pushing something called administrator protection. This basically upgrades how admin permissions work. Instead of old school UAC prompts, Windows now uses more isolated, system managed accounts for elevated actions. Hackers have a much harder time exploiting admin access. This is huge. If you're into AI PC, Task Manager is getting NPU, Neural Processing Unit tracking. So now you can literally see AI workloads usage, performance stats tied to AI tasks. This is Microsoft preparing Windows for the AI first future. This one feels small, but it's actually super practical. Windows now supports multiple Bluetooth LE audio devices at once, meaning you and a friend can listen together, separate volume controls, clean audio management. Perfect for creators, streamers, or short setups. Microsoft added a new pointer indicator system. Basically, a customizable cursor overlay makes your mouse easier to track, especially useful for large displays, accessible users, screen recurrence. Now this is for power user. Windows Console is getting upgraded pulled from Windows Terminal. Beta rendering, clipboard improvements, even image support. This is Microsoft quietly modernizing command line tools. Small change but meaningful. App icon now shows in context menus, cleaner interaction in File Explorer, more visual clarity, basically making Windows feel less outdated. Microsoft is also improving touch bar directly customization, Prina security indicator, beta device level control. These are subtle, but they improve everyday usability. Here is the real takeaway. This build is not about features, it's about directions. Microsoft's clearly focusing on security first architecture, AI integration at OS level, better multi-device experience, performance visibility. And all of this is building toward future Windows release like 26H2 and beyond. Quick heads up, if you're thinking of installing Canary builds, don't do it on your main PC. These builds are experimental, unstable, sometimes incomplete. Even Microsoft rolls features out gradually using control testing. So yeah, that's a Windows 11 build 28020.1797. Not flashy, but definitely foundation update for the future of Windows. Now I want to know, would you actually install Canary builds or play it safe? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you want more real and Windows update related videos, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.